Hello friends, I Akanksha Mishra welcome all of you here at TNV Academy. Today I am going to speak about the ISO 26000 Lead Auditor Training Course, Guidance on Social Responsibility, Lead Auditor course. Let me start with the introduction of ISO 26000. ISO 26000 is a guidance standard which is developed to help organizations effectively assess and address social responsibilities that are relevant and significant to their mission and vision, operations and processes, customers, employees, communities, and other stakeholders, and environmental impact. Now let me explain you why should you attend this training course. This Lead Auditor Training course on ISO 26000 enables you to gain comprehensive knowledge of the key principles and subjects of social responsibility, which are required to audit the integration of a social responsibility program within an organization. The Lead Auditor Training will equip you with the necessary expertise to measure an organization's performance in terms of sustainable development, legal compliance, and society's welfare based on ISO 26000. Having practical exposures, you will be able to master audit techniques and become competent to manage an audit program, audit team, communication with customers, and conflict resolution. Now let us explain you that who should attend this training. Auditors seeking to master the skills needed to measure an organization's social responsibility performance. Managers or consultants seeking to master the audit of a social responsibility program. Individuals responsible for integrating social responsibility behavior within an organization. Auditors seeking to gain comprehensive knowledge of social responsibility principles, core subjects, and best practices. Let us explain you what is learning objectives of ISO 26000. Understand the recent trends, characteristics, and principles of social responsibility based on ISO 26000 guidelines. Acknowledge how organizations integrate social responsibility and how ISO 26000 guidelines complement it. Learn the core principles and subjects of social responsibility. Understand how ISO 26000 guidelines contribute to sustainable development. Understand an auditor's role to plan, lead, and follow up on an audit TNV training approach. This training is based on both theory and best practices used in SPR audits. Lecture sessions are illustrated with examples based on case studies. Practical exercises are based on a case study which includes role-playing and discussions. Practice tests are similar to the certification exam. Now let us know the prerequisites for this Lead Auditor Training course. A fundamental understanding of ISO 26000 and comprehensive knowledge of audit principles. The duration of this course is 5 days, that is 40 hours, 8 hours per day. Day 1, Introduction to Social Responsibility Programs and ISO 26000. Day 2, Audit Principles, Preparations and Launching of an Audit. Day 3, On-site audit activities. Day 4, Closing the audit. Day 5, Certification exam, Global recognition. Let me tell you about the recognition of this course now. This course is globally recognized and acceptable worldwide. Training offered by the TNV Institute is certified by Exemplar Global. Exemplar Global is a globally recognized certification body which offers personal certification and certification of training providers. Every participant who attends the training and qualifies the examination gets a training certification from TNV Academy with an Exemplar Global emblem. Any candidate who qualifies the Lead Auditor course developed by TNV Institute is eligible to be enrolled as Lead Auditor with any certification body subject to fulfillment of other requirements like educational certificate and working experience. I hope that you have come to know the recognition of this course, which is being offered by TNV Academy. For more information about TNV and various training programs, you can contact us through email or phone. Now, this brings us to the end of this session. I sincerely thank you all for your interest and attention. Thanks and best wishes.